Hi, it's Laura with Laura's Craft. Today we are going to creating super cute wooden bunny using two of my favorite techniques, decoupaging and decorating. And if you are new here, always welcome to join me and be a part of the community. Firstly, I printed out a template of bunny that I found on the internet. Then I cut it out. After placing my paper template on the piece of plywood, I trace it around it. And by the way, the plywood thickness is 12 millimeter. And then I'm going to cut that out with a jigsaw. I'm using a 120 grit sandpaper to smooth the edges. Once I had finished with sanding, I took some chalk white paint and painted both sides. For the project, I'm going to be decoupaging and I'm using vintage floral paper sheet. So now I'm applying a thin coat of Mod Podge and then placing on a floral can't speak floral paper sheet and then smoothing out any wrinkles. And then again I'm applying another coat of Mod Podge and leave to dry. Once the glue was dried, I took a sandpaper, went around the edges, smoothing out those harsh lines. Basically just trying to blend them in.
For the finished touch, I'm using a really thin twine, wrapping around a couple of times and make a bow. And then I take my scissors and cutting into different length, short, longer, short, longer, it just kind of make it look more full. I love how it turns out. It is so cute and I like the floral side. If you want more to going on to your bunny, then keep watching. So next I'm replacing twine bow into the ribbon and then decorating with flowers, greenery, just to give more interest. Let me know, what do you think? Is it too much or is just perfect for the spring? Thank you so much for watching today's video and I will see you in the next one.